everyone. Now we will discuss the characteristics of group as we move top to bottom in a group, how the characteristic varies. Again, the 6 characteristics you know are valence electron, valency, atomic size, metallic character, non-metallic character, chemical reactivity. That metallic and non-metallic character are in one point only, and nature of oxides. Right. So we will discuss these characteristics one by one. Again, I want you to draw this table horizontally as I have done it. Don't draw it vertically like this, otherwise it won't come. Draw it horizontally, right? Now, these characteristics, my dear students. Now the question comes to the mind, why I have taken alkaline earth metallic group? Why not alkali metal group? Because in alkali metal group, the first member, atomic number 1 is hydrogen, which is a non-metal, but it is kept with metallic group. That's why I have taken number 2, group number 2 I have taken beer महंगी कर सरकार बड़ा रोई is the hint for that. Beer for beryllium, महंगी for magnesium, कर for calcium, सरकार for strontium, बड़ा for barium, and रोई for radon, right? So we will discuss these characteristics now. You need not to memorize atomic numbers, but symbols you memorize, okay? Hint for that already you know, beer महंगी कर सरकार, strontium, barium, ROI is radon, RADON. Atomic number I have written here, but you need not to memorize it. And electronic configuration as well, you need not to memorize it, but it will be helpful for you. Okay, now electronic configuration of beryllium is 2, 2, magnesium is 2, 8, 2, calcium is 2, 8, 8, 2, strontium is 2, 8, 8, 18, 2. Rest will come in higher classes. You need not to memorize, but you have to memorize this, that valence electrons. Valence electron are 2 in every case, right? So as we move top to bottom in a metallic group, I have taken the example of group number 2 here. It will be same for other groups also, other metallic groups also. For non-metallic group, such as group number 17, I'll give you another example, right? For metallic group, the number of valence electron as we move top to bottom in a metallic group, number of valence electrons remains same. Second point is valency. Again, all are metals here. All have valency in case of metal is equal to number of valence electron. So as we move top to bottom in a group, the valency also remains same. You can draw it side by side. Don't waste your time. You can draw it along with me. Okay. Now atomic size. Again, I'll tell you, need not to memorize about atomic size. Only one thing, you already have given you the explanation of this, because one extra shell, see here, 2 shells were there, K and L. Here 3 shells were there, KLM. Here KLMN, 4 shells. Here KLMNO, 5 shells. One extra shell is getting added. So as we move top to bottom in a metallic group, in group number 2, then atomic size increases. Okay. Now fourth characteristic is metallic character. All are metals here, my dear students. So what will happen to the metallic character? Can you tell me? There is no need of writing non-metallic character in a metallic group. We will write about the non-metallic character in a non-metallic group. But if you want to know if metallic character is increasing, then non-metallic character would automatically decrease, right? So metallic character, as we move top to bottom in a group, metallic character increases. So which one is the more metallic here? Metallic character is increasing. Can you tell me in this group who is more metallic? Radon. R-A-D-O-N. Radon is more metallic because metallic character is increasing. If you want to know about non-metallic in a metallic also, then obviously if metallic character is increasing, then non-metallic character will get decreases. Okay, can you tell me in this metallic group who is the most non-metallic?
Beryllium.
Beryllium, right, very good. Okay, because non-metallic character is decreasing. Next we have is chemical reactivity. You know, metals are more chemically reactive than non-metals, but all are metals here. And seventh is nature of oxides. All metals will form basic oxide here. All are metals here. So chemical reactivity, because you know, my dear students, because all are metal, but the metallic character is increasing, so the chemical reactivity will also increase. And nature, all are basic oxide here, so it will remain same. All metals form basic oxide, right? As you know, please focus on this. All metals forms
Basic oxides.
basic oxides. Okay, quickly I'll give you a preview of this. We have to discuss all these 7 characteristic. Metallic and non-metallic is one only. All the different characteristics when we move top to bottom in a group. Valence electron, it remains same as we move top to bottom in a group. Valency also remains same. Third is atomic size. But I haven't written atomic size or atomic radius, one and the same thing. It is measured in picometer. 1 picometer is 10 to the power minus 12 meter. And atomic size increases because one extra shell gets added. In each and every element you can see one extra shell is getting added. Metallic character, it increases as we move top to bottom in a group. Non-metallic character, if metallic character is increasing, then definitely the non-metallic character will decrease. Chemical reactivity, as we move top to bottom in a group, chemical reactivity also increases because the metallic character is increasing. And nature of oxides, all metals form basic oxides, so the nature of oxide will remain same. Thank you.